Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off age restrictions in Discord. First, make sure that you log into your Discord account, and once you're in, go to the U icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and click this settings icon at the top right corner. Click on Content and Social. From here, just scroll it down until you find this age-restricted commands. So it says, this setting applies to all apps, allows people 18 plus to access commands marked as age-restricted in DMs. So what you will need to do is to make sure that it's turned off. So here you can see that it's not enabled, and that means that we can all have access to any channels, including the adult content. So once you turn it on, you will be restricted. That's how you easily turn off age restriction in Discord. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.